Hi guys, this is Julia from Performance Automotive Network. Just wanted to let you know we went ahead and launched our mobile detailing van. So back here we actually have our full pressure washing system. We have a big giant blue mat that we wash cars on to go ahead and make sure everything is environmentally friendly. So this is our extraction pump that we go ahead and use to remove all of the chemicals in the water that we wash our cars on our blue mat. We bring it here and we recycle it, that way we can use it for the next visit. On this side of the van we have a bunch of different tools to help us with our paint correction and detailing. It comes fully compressed with air so we can blow out all the little nooks and crannies. We do full-on paint corrections with our paint correction cream, buffing, waxing, anything like that. Also, our vans are fully equipped to go ahead and do mobile oil changes. So we have we have an extraction pump that we can go ahead and suck the oil out from your dipstick. And then we also have oil that we keep in here to fill your car back up. Well, that concludes the tour of our mobile service van. We're excited to bring the convenience of service to your own driveway. If you'd like to schedule an appointment, reach out to us by phone or schedule online.